A blessed day, learners. It's me again, Teacher Lumaban, and if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated in my videos. This time our topic will be on general science exercises, set 2A. I hope you learned something and enjoy this video. Please share it with your friends to also learn about this topic. Be safe, and God bless you always.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
Which of the following choices is not used in the manufacturing of food by green plants? Letter A, sun. Letter B, oxygen. Letter C, carbon dioxide. Letter D, water and soil nutrients. Please choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B, oxygen. Plants make their food out of inorganic mixtures through a process called photosynthesis in the leaves. The ingredients necessary for photosynthesis are light, water, soil nutrients, and carbon dioxide. The rate of photosynthesis depends on the amount of these ingredients available, as well as the temperature. The end products of photosynthesis are the oxygen that plants release and carbohydrates as the source of energy by the plants. If Rolly weighs 65 kilos on the ground, how much is the force of gravity on him? Letter A, 65 kilos. Letter B, 130 kilos. Letter C, 32.75 kilos. Letter D, none. Please choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A, 65 kilos. Gravity, or gravitation, is a natural phenomenon by which all things with mass or energy, including planets, stars, galaxies, and even light, are brought toward one another. On Earth, gravity gives weight to physical objects, and the moon's gravity causes the ocean tides. During respiration, green plants take in letter A, water. Letter B, oxygen. Letter C, carbon dioxide. Letter D, carbon dioxide and water. Please choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B, oxygen. Respiration is the opposite of photosynthesis. It is a process of respiration in plants that involves using the sugars produced during photosynthesis plus oxygen to generate energy for plant growth. In the natural environment, plants generate their food to survive. They use carbon dioxide, CO2, from the environment to produce sugars and oxygen, O2, then utilized as energy. Which of the following choice is not performed by root in a plant? Letter A, anchorage. Letter B, food storage. Letter C, photosynthesis. Letter D, water absorption. Please choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C, photosynthesis. Root, in botany, is a part of a vascular plant, usually underground. Its fundamental functions are anchorage of the plant, absorption of water and dissolved minerals, and conduction of these to the stem, including storage of reserve foods. What is causes metal to rust? Letter A. The metal is made of iron. Letter B. The metal is exposed to hydrogen. Letter C. The metal is exposed to oxygen and moisture. Letter D. There is the presence of microorganisms in the metal. Please choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C. The metal is exposed to oxygen and moisture. Rust is the effect of corroding steel after the iron, Fe, particles have been exposed to oxygen and moisture, example humidity, vapor, immersion. Oxygen makes these electrons rise and form hydroxyl ions, O. The hydroxyl ions react with the Fe to develop hydrous iron oxide, FeOH, better known as rust. Which of the following choices is an example of chemical change? Letter A, raining. Letter B, burning of paper. Letter C, melting of ice from solid to liquid. Letter D, water evaporation from liquid to gas. Please choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B, burning of paper. Chemical changes occur when an element combines with another to form a new substance, called chemical synthesis or chemical decomposition into more distinct materials. These processes are called chemical reactions and, in general, are not reversible except by further chemical reactions. What is the rise of water in a thin tube? Letter A, capillarity. Letter B, absorption. Letter C, adsorption. Letter D, acceleration. Please choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A, capillarity. Capillarity is the outcome of surface or interfacial forces. The rise of water in a thin tube caused by forces of attraction between the molecules of water and the glass walls, among the molecules of water themselves. The narrower bore of the capillary tube, the greater the water rises. It is the continuous rise and fall of seawater. Letter A, tides. Letter B, wave. Letter C, high tide. Letter D, wave velocity. Please choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A, tides. Tides are the rise and fall of sea levels caused by the combined effects of the gravitational forces exerted by the Moon, the Sun, and the rotation of the Earth. The tide tables are used for any given locale to find the predicted times and amplitude. What is the most reliable method to prevent soil erosion on a hill? Letter A, irrigation. Letter B, cultivation. Letter C, reforestation. Letter D, building terraces. Please choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D, building terraces. Building terrace systems is reliable to prevent excessive rill erosion, eliminating ephemeral gully erosion, reducing sediment yield, conserving soil moisture, protecting landscape quality, and increasing land value. Terraces are topographic adjustments that require soil displacement to construct them. It is the application of specific concepts and principles. Letter A, biology. Letter B, ecology. Letter C, science. Letter D, technology. Please choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D, technology. Technology is the application of scientific understanding for functional purposes, particularly in industry. It is the total of techniques, skills, methods, and processes used in goods or services production or the realization of objectives, such as scientific inquiry. What is the coolness after undergoing perspiration? Letter A, evaporation of sweating. Letter B, absorption of perspiration. Letter C, air entered the skin pores. Letter D, condensation of perspiration. Please choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D, condensation of perspiration. Sweat is the cause of condensation as it evaporates and passes through the clothing system, condensing on an outer layer. It loses moisture through the sweat glands all the time. It is called insensible sweat. When the person is hot, the skin can be wet with sweat, which is much more noticeable. What do you call in the center of the wind of a weather disturbance having a 50 km/h? Letter A, storm. Letter B, typhoon. Letter C, hurricane. Letter D, tropical depression. Please choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D, tropical depression. A tropical cyclone is a fast-rotating storm system identified by a low-pressure center, a low-level atmospheric rotation, strong winds, and a spiral arrangement of thunderstorms that produce heavy rain. It has maximum sustained surface winds, 1-minute average, of 38 miles per hour, 33 knots, or less, and has maximum sustained surface winds ranging from 39 to 73 miles per hour, 34 to 63 knots. The current term used for environmental pollution that classifies as violence. Letter A, scientific. Letter B, ecological. Letter C, structural. Letter D, technological. Please choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B, ecological. Environmental pollution defines the contamination of the physical and biological elements of the Earth's atmosphere system to such an extent that normal environmental processes are adversely affected. It is relating to or involved with the relation of living organisms to one another and their physical surroundings.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I hope you enjoyed, learned something new about our topic on the general science exercises, set 2A. If you learned something in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends to also learn about this topic. If you have comments, questions, and suggestions, you can leave a message in the comments section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos, hoping that we meet again in my next blog, and God bless you always.